boy. Free ice! I'm getting free ice! Mrs. Nature, I'm really sorry.
Yeah, well, I'm sorry too.
Mimi.
Be grateful. That could have been a wildfire.
Where'd Gracie go? Gracie's buried under dog. Mimi. There she is. Hi.
Disney Channel Summer Stars. Saturday nights.
Oh no.
Another Cinderella starring Selena Gomez and Bruce Seeley. Soccer. Gary Russell. Or Cute Boy. You're an incredible
You know better.
Soccer. And the rest of your life.
Watson.
Or Cute Boy. I don't want to take a back seat to everything else in your life. Uh-oh. Find out who wins the competition in the Disney Channel premiere of her best movie. Then, it's the story you think you know.
I need this house to be spotless. You're kidding me.
But this time, Selena Gomez
You're going to the bar.
and Drew Seeley are kicking it up a notch.